Welcome to Kidela Studios. I'm Krystle Hunt. It's easy to take for granted all of the daily tasks we accomplish. For some people, turning on a light or opening a door happens without a thought. But to someone who's disabled, tasks like these can be very challenging. Today we're speaking with a company who may have a way to help with their voice-activated electronic systems. Please welcome the CEO of Servus. Hi Miroslav, thanks for joining us today.
Hi, thank you.
So Servus is a system that allows people to talk and control their homes. Can you tell us a little bit about how that works?
That's right. Servus is a system that enables you to control your home with audio commands. Servus can control lights, control air conditioning, door opening, television, whatever you have in your house regarding multimedia, for example, media player, some radio, whatever. Also, Servus enables a person to control the web browser, so you can actually surf the web via voice commands. Actually, you can do so many things with your voice command.
Okay. What types of commands can you give Servus? Like what would I say if I wanted my lights to come on?
Well, actually, you choose what you want to say. For example, you can say turn on the light. You can say turn on my lamp. You can say turn on the lamp in the living room. So whatever you want to say, we make it for you to have this kind of command.
Okay. And does it come in different languages as well?
Yeah, of course. It supports many languages: English, Dutch, German, Italian, Croatian, and Slovenian. So you're covering quite many languages.
Okay.
And also currently we are preparing French and Spanish, so it's pretty wide span of language.
Okay. Now, when you give your system a command, like say, for example, if I want my lights to come on and I say turn on the lights, will Servus remember that, or do I have to train it to recognize my commands?
Not really. Actually, Servus is, you don't have to train Servus to answer your voice. Servus is a speaker-independent system, which means that you can control it without training him, without need to train him, because it is trained to a language and not on a user.
Okay. Now, I understand that it has voice recognition. So, for example, if I was to speak to my system and it would recognize my voice, if I get a cold and my voice changes, would it still recognize it?
That's right. And it is a great advantage of Servus.
Okay.
So actually you can have lower voice, higher voice. It always knows what you're saying.
Can only one person control Servus, or can it recognize several voices?
No, actually, unlimited number of persons can control Servus. So if there is in one home, for example, 5 users, no problem. They will all be able to use the same system.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about your target market? Who is Servus for?
Well, Servus was designed with one simple mission in mind: to help physically disabled people. So people that cannot move, that cannot control their hands or their legs, now they can have Servus to be more independent. And that's the reason why it was actually done.
But everyone could get it installed, right? Like not necessarily just...
That's right. Everyone can have Servus, but the primary intention was to help disabled people. But now, of course, it is intended to anyone who wants.
Okay. What's the cost of the installation?
Well, the problem is that it really varies regarding the country.
Oh, okay.
It can be like 50% more in different countries.
Okay.
So, for example, in Croatia, you can come to, for example, 3,000 euros from some installation, for some typical installation, but you can come up to 5,000 euros in some other countries. So it's really hard to say because the price is composed out of 4 parts. It is our system, the hardware, our software. After that, we have installation and configuration. The good thing is that installation lasts for just a couple of hours. So let's say at most 5 hours you can have your Servus installed in your home. And the reason for that is that Servus does not require additional wires to be laid down and to break some walls. So it's really simple to install.
Okay. Are there any security features built into Servus at all? Like, what if somebody broke into your house?
Yes. Servus is integrated with the alarm system, so it has all the typical security features and even more. For example, if a person falls, there is this fall detector that detects your fall, and then we can do so many scenarios possible. Make an SOS call or even unlock the door, or so many things that can help to save the person.
Okay, great. So it's a safety feature as well.
Yes.
That's great. Do you have any plans to add Servus to North America?
It is not offered yet, but we are currently searching for partners that are going to be our distributors for North America.
Okay.
So we are hoping to approach North America by the end of this year.
Great. So by the end of this year, we should be able to look for that in North America.
I hope so.
Great. Now, you've given us a lot of information today. It's been really great talking to you. Thanks so much for taking the time to join us.
Thank you.
For more information on Servus, head over to our website at Kidela.com.